Hi friends, State Bank of India has recently come out with a notification for recruitment of 1500 probationary officers in 2013. Here is a brief overview by successseries.net. Let's talk about the application process and important dates. The application process will start from 30th of January and the last date for applying is 23rd of Feb 2013. Please note that you have to apply online only. But for payment of fees, you can either pay the fee online or in offline mode. The dates are: for online mode it is 30th January to 23rd Feb 2013 and for offline it is 1st Feb to 28th of February 2013. State Bank has fixed the exam date for 28th of April 2013. The eligibility criteria is as given below. Graduation in any discipline from a recognized university and the age should be between 21 years and 30 years as on 1st of January 2013. For the reserved categories of SC, ST, OBC and other ex-servicemen, there is some relaxation which is given here. If you belong to the OBC category, you get a relaxation of 3 years, and for SC, ST and ex-servicemen, the relaxation is for 5 years. Please note that before applying, you need to have a valid email ID, because without an email ID, you will not be able to apply. Here is a breakup of vacancies for probationary officers in State Bank of India. Have a look. The total recruitment is for 1500 vacancies in the general category, and in the handicap category it is 44. Selection process. The selection would be done in 2 phases. Phase 1 would have written examination which will have objective test as well as descriptive test. Phase 2 you'll have GDs as well as personal interviews. The breakup of marks is given here. The objective test will be of 200 marks and the time duration is 2 hours. It will consist of 4 sections. English language, which will have grammar, vocabulary, comprehension, etc. Test of general awareness, that is general knowledge, current affairs, then marketing and computers knowledge. Then you have data analysis and interpretation. And the 4th category is a test of reasoning, which will be of a higher level. The descriptive test will be of 1 hour duration and it will be of test of English language, that is comprehension, short précis writing, letter writing and essay. Please note that descriptive test paper of only those candidates will be evaluated who have scored qualifying marks in the objective test as stated above. And the qualifying marks is given in the State Bank of India website. The phase 2 would involve GDs and interview, and the aggregate marks qualifying in both objective test and descriptive test will be arranged in descending order in each category. And the number of candidates that will be called for GDs and interview would be 3 times the number of vacancies in each category. The final selection would be as under. The candidates will have to qualify in both phase 1 and phase 2 separately. Also, the marks of written test, that is out of 250 marks, will be recalculated and converted to 75, and marks secured in GDs and interview, which is originally of 50 marks, will be again recalculated and converted to 25. The final merit list is arrived after aggregating converted marks of written test and GDs and interviews out of 100 marks for each category. The selection, that is the final selection, will be made from the top merit rank candidates in each category, that is the top merit of general, the top merit of SC, the top merit of OBC and the top merit of PWD. How to apply? Candidates will be required to register themselves online through bank's website, that is www.statebankofindia.com, and the application will start from January 30th. Success CDs also has test preparation CD and previous year's solved question papers for State Bank of India, which you can order online by clicking the link below this video. Also, don't forget to see our next video on State Bank of India application process for probationary officers. Thank you. Have a great day.